name is Dr. Muhammad Naveed. I'm working as assistant professor in the Institute of Soil and Environmental Sciences, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, Pakistan. So, normally today I will introduce the innovations in recycling of organic waste management. Normally, the recycling of organic waste, the practice is carrying out in many countries of the world, including Pakistan and Indo-Pak or Asian or European subcontinent. But here I will introduce some innovations in composting. Composting by definition is recycling of organic material by living organism at optimum moisture, temperature and aerations is called the stable humus-like material is called composting. Normally the many organic residue that are used for composting, including the poultry waste, animal waste, household waste, fruit and vegetable waste, sugar industry waste, paper pulp and industry waste, and so many other things who can be used as a raw material for this composting process. Normally, in composting process, we need, normally to speed up the process, we need three things. First, we normally add the molasses, 0.5 to 1% molasses to induce the microbial populations. Then to balance the carbon to nitrogen ratio, we add 1 to 2% urea or nitrogen source to speed up the microbial process. And third one is the microbial inoculus, cellulose degrading microbe. We add 1 liter in 1 ton microbial inocula that effectively degrade the cellulose content or the recalcitrant material of the composting product. So by mixing these, we normally covered the heap, and then every week we invert the heap and then again covered. In composting process, initially the process becomes mesophilic where temperature reaches 35 to 40 degrees centigrade, and again after 15 days, 20 days when microbe adapt, the process becomes thermophilic where temperature raise 65 to 70 degrees centigrade, and then mature stage where again the product become cooling and become mature. The final product is free of pathogens, free of smell and rich of nutrient. Normally the composting product, this is example, this is product we decomposed with by using the animal manure that is free of pathogen, free of smell and rich of nutrient. So now comes to the innovations. Normally the composting is carried out in 100-year-old story that occurring all over the world. What we add in this process is we acidulate this animal manure by using sulfur oxidizing microbe. By addition of specific these microbe, we feed the microbe and the microbe manipulate, they flourish in this composting process and they lower the pH. So ultimately the product become decomposed, well rotted, stabilized humus material, including also the pH of that product is also lowered. That is very, very beneficial for especially alkaline and calcareous soil of Pakistan, and especially in those soil where phosphorus uptake or phosphorus availability and micronutrient uptake is really problematic. So we can add this composted material having pH low that is beneficial for enhancing the uptake of phosphorus and micronutrient, besides improving organic matter and many other beneficial aspects of the soil. Thank you so much. So I would like to thank Mr. Asad Sheikh who encouraged me to elaborate this composting process and some innovation in this composting process. The Mr. Asad, he is normally working for the beneficial or well-being of the community that are engaged with this organic food production or farming in the rural area. Thank you so much.
Thank you.